Explorers, are you ready for an adventure?
Welcome to Smart Explorers Club.
Where every episode is a mission.
Why does your brain work even when you sleep?
How does your heart beat all day?
Science secrets unlocked.
Can you remember 3 words? Can you solve the mission?
Perfect for ages 5 to 8. Fun learning for home and school.
New missions every week.